If you want to turn on time reports in Fortnite through Epic Games, this video will walk you through it step by step in a super simple way. Time reports can be useful if you want to keep track of playtime and manage your gaming habits more easily, especially if you're setting things up for yourself or helping someone else use parental controls. If this tutorial helps, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Epic Games in your browser. You can do this by heading to the Epic Games website and signing into the account that's connected to Fortnite. Once you're logged in, look for your profile menu. This is usually in the top corner of the page, and it gives you access to your account settings. Click on the profile menu, then select Account. This will take you into your Epic account dashboard where you can manage different settings tied to your profile. From there, look for Parental Controls and click on it. If this is your first time opening this section, Epic Games may ask you to enter a parental control code. Go ahead and type in the code if required, since this unlocks the settings you need to manage time reports. Once you're inside the parental controls area, look for the option called Time Reports. This is the setting that controls whether playtime reports are turned on or off. Click on Time Reports and then switch the toggle on. As soon as you turn it on, the feature should be active and ready to track time reports for the account. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've turned on timer reports in Fortnite Epic Games, and now you can keep better track of playtime through the account settings. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.